Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about video conferencing and visual media as a teaching tool. How the video conferencing is useful in teaching, learning and assessment. These are the digital tools and we discuss about their advantages, components and what are the tools used for video conferencing and their components, features, benefits, uses. These are the things we are today going to discuss about. Video conferencing. The first one, what is mean by video conferencing? Video conferencing is live visual connection between two or more remote parties over the internet that stimulates a face-to-face meeting. And video conferencing is important because it joins who would not normally be able to form a face-to-face interaction. And video conferencing is simply a vehicle for interactive communication. It enables one set of people to see and hear people in a different location. And video conferencing in its most basic form is the transmission of images and speeches and back and forth between two or more physical separate locations. And it is also known as video teleconference. Next we see about the basic features of video conferencing. Very straightforward approach and calls can be made locally, nationally or across the world. This is the image related to the basic features of video conferencing. We can able to communicate with our relatives, families, friends through video. Then next we see about silent features of video conferencing. There are basic some features of video conferencing. This is the flow chart that describes the video conferencing features, and the number 1 chat boxes, and the number 2 system sharing option, and number 3 switching off devices, and number 4 video call recording option, and number 5 noise cancellation. These are the basic features in the video conferencing. Then video conferencing components. There are 4 basic components: camera, microphone, speaker and monitor. The first one, camera, it is used to capture and send video during video conferencing. This is the related image that is used in the video conferencing. And the second one, microphone, is used to capture and send audio during video conferencing. This is the related image for microphone that is used in the video conferencing. And the third one, speakers. It is used to play the audio received during video conferencing, and the related image of speaker that is used in the video conferencing. And the fourth one, monitor, to display the video received during video conferencing. This is the image related to the monitor. Next we see about some additional requirement for the video conferencing. The first most additional requirement is codec. It means make the audio or video data small enough to be practical for sending over expensive network connection. A codec takes analog signals, compresses and digitizes, then transmits the signal over digital phone lines. Compression rate up to 1500 can be achieved. The resulting digital stream of 1 second and 0 second is subdivided into labeled packets which are then transmitted through a digital networks. Next, we see about what are the tools needed for video conferencing. First, we discuss about the software tools. This is we almost known Skype, a free service that anyone can use. It is used to communicate our relatives who are in abroad. That is very helpful to video conferencing. Skype. This is the logo for Skype. Next we see about, this is the another one app, OOVOO, a free online conferencing site that is available on both Mac and Windows PC. It allows 6 persons to chat at a time. This is the logo for that, and this is the outline of the app. Next we see about Mega Meeting. It is also one of the app that includes in video conferencing. It supports 60 participants which can work at any browsers regardless of the operating system. This is the logo of the mega meeting. This is less hassle and better meeting. And this is the outline of the app that we used for video conferencing. Next, we see about some of the systems that is used in the video conferencing. There are two systems, dedicated systems and desktop systems. First, we see about dedicated systems. It have all required components packaged into a single piece of equipment, and this system usually a console with a high quality remote control video camera. And the second system, desktop systems. These systems are add once to normal PCs and transforming them into video conferencing devices. Let's see elaborately about dedicated system. In dedicated systems, there are three subgroups. The first one, large group video conferencing, and the second one, small group video conferencing, and the third one, individual video conferencing. In large group video conferencing, non-portable, large, more expensive devices used for large rooms and auditoriums. And small group video conferencing, non-portable or portable, smaller, less expensive devices used for small meeting rooms. In individual video conferencing, usually portable devices meant for single users have fixed cameras, microphones and loudspeakers integrated into the console. Next, we move to the video conferencing types. The first type, point to point. A video conferencing that connects two locations. Each side sees and hears the other side at all times. This is the image related to the point to point type. And the second one, multi-point type. The video conference that connects to more than two sites to the use of a multi-point controller unit. It is also called MCU or video hub. Participants at all sites can hear one another at all time and see the sites that is currently speaking. Video activated switching. And the third one, this is a bridge that interconnects calls from several sources. This is the image related to the multi-point video conferencing. Next, we move to the characteristics of video conferencing. Number 1, it allows learning at a distance. Number 2, it allows learning through demonstrations as seen in the video. Number 3, it allows global learning by having speakers or guest lecturers share their expertise virtually. And number 4, it allows continuous interactivity. And number 5, it allows conduction of virtual field trips. And number 6, it stimulates learning environments and it is flexible, it is affordable and it promotes global collaboration and learners develop their probing skill by point of questioning and clarifying. Next, we see about the uses of video conferencing. It is widely used in business, e-meeting, e-learning, presentation, chatting with friends, family talk and telemedicine. These are the images related to the uses of video conferencing, and the first image shows telemedicine. And the second one, it is helpful for family talk, and the third one, it is helpful for chatting with friends, and the fourth one, presentation. And these are the some uses: transmission of medical images, diagnosing and consulting, video conferencing in my hand, and organization use video conferencing to conduct meetings, increasing need to scale, manage and deploy, all while maintaining a secure environment. The goal is to connect anywhere, anytime without boundaries. Next, see about advantages of video conferencing. Number 1, student learning is impacted in several ways. Enhances student motivation, is existing or different, catches the student's attention and connects with the real world, promotes students' retention and learning, assesses information from primary sources and accommodates many learning styles. When students have the opportunity to interact with the experts in a particular field of study, and video conferencing accommodates a variety of different learning styles through several modalities, and it is useful in videos, animations, audio, graphics and collaboration. The video conferencing affords students the opportunity to develop and improve various communication skills and presentation and speaking skills, communication and management skills, questioning and interviewing skills. Then see about limitations of video conferencing. Initial cost of the equipment is high. Ghost, blurred images seen when rapid movement occurs. Wear neutral, solid colors. Avoid checks and stripes. Avoid white and shades of red. Red is not codec friendly. Use plain background and avoid glass in the background. Thank you.